Hello and welcome to Let's Talk English, the podcast for beginner English learners. I'm your host, Nour. Today we are talking about summer fun. Yes, how to have fun in summer. Are you ready? Let's go. Section 1. What is summer? Summer is one of the 4 seasons. The weather is usually hot and sunny. The days are long and the nights are short. In many countries, children do not go to school in summer. They have a long summer holiday. Adults also take time off work. Summer is a time for fun, rest, and adventure. Section 2. Fun outside in summer. Many people love to go outside in the summer. The weather is perfect for outdoor activities. One of the most popular places to go is the beach. At the beach, you can swim in the sea, you can play in the sand, you can build a sandcastle. You can also eat ice cream and drink cold juice. Ice cream in summer is the best. Other people like to go to the park. You can walk, run, or ride a bicycle. You can sit on the grass and have a picnic with your friends or family. A picnic means you take food and eat outside. You can bring fruit, sandwiches, water, and snacks. Don't forget a blanket to sit on. Some people go camping. They sleep in tents and make a fire. At night, they can look at the stars. Camping is fun, and you can enjoy nature. Section 3. Fun inside in summer. Sometimes summer is too hot. What can we do then? Many people stay inside. You can stay at home and watch movies. You can read books. You can play video games or listen to music. You can also cook or bake. Try making a cold fruit salad or lemonade. Or how about a smoothie? A smoothie is a cold drink made with fruit, milk or yogurt, and ice. Staying inside doesn't mean you are bored. There are many fun things to do at home too. Section 4. Summer travel. Summer is also a good time to travel. People visit new places. You can go to the mountains, the countryside, or a different city. Traveling helps you learn about new cultures and foods. You can take photos, meet new people, and try new things. Even a short trip can be exciting. If you don't travel far, that's okay too. You can explore your own town. Visit the zoo, a museum, or a new cafe. There is always something new to see. Section 5. Staying safe in summer. Summer is fun, but we must also be safe. If you go outside, wear sunscreen to protect your skin. Wear a hat and sunglasses. Drink lots of water so you don't get too hot or tired. And always swim with someone. Never swim alone. Be careful, and summer will be happy and safe. Vocabulary review. Let's learn and repeat some new words. Beach, a place with sand and sea. Picnic, eating food outside. Camping, sleeping in a tent, usually in nature. Smoothie, a cold drink made with fruit and ice. Travel, to go to a new place. Sunscreen, cream to protect your skin from the sun. Let's repeat. Beach, picnic, camping, smoothie, travel, sunscreen. Great, you're doing well. Now, let's practice speaking. Now, I will ask you some questions. You can pause the podcast and answer in English. What do you like to do in summer? And do you go to the beach or the park? Do you like ice cream? What's your favorite flavor? What do you wear in summer? Do you like to travel? Where do you want to go? Well done. Even short answers help you practice. You can say your answers out loud or write them in a notebook. That's all for today. I hope you have a great summer full of fun, sun, and smiles. Thank you for listening to Let's Talk English. See you next time. Bye.